Setting up a profitable influencer marketing campaign. Firstly, what is influencer marketing? Social networks are a huge part of everyday life, and one way they are used by commercial brands is to advertise their products. And one of the best ways to use the social aspect of them to your advantage is to use certain influential and popular people on these networks to help boost brands and awareness. These people are known as influencers and are people who claim to have a great influence on whatever social network they hang out on. By using them, you can leverage on this influence. Influencer marketing is when a brand or product uses an influence to promote their brand or products to their followers, with the main intentions of raising awareness or increasing their sales. The reason this works so well on TikTok is that if you have a successful influencer marketing campaign, then users can participate and interact with the content. The influencer can challenge other users to join a hashtag challenge. The success of TikTok is that it creates a unique platform that allows users to interact with its content in very cool ways. But it is open to everyone as it doesn't need high quality content to make an impact. In fact, originality in this case is probably the main thing you should be trying for. Users on TikTok love the bizarre and silly. They like to laugh. Using a hashtag challenge. Hashtag challenges are an important and essential part of the TikTok platform and community. If you take a look around the platform, you will realize there are a lot of challenges which you can participate in at any time. Hashtag challenges are mainly used when you react or interact with someone else's video, possibly with a new idea or following the trend of the video before it. TikTok has proven to be a very important tool, especially when used in influencer marketing for a great majority of brands. Combine this with the hashtag challenge and you have a great chance of being onto a winner.